On. The research paper titled Perception and Satisfaction of Teachers in Self-Financing Colleges During COVID-19 in Ernakulam District is a joint effort of Sister Jindo John, Mr. Prasad T. Gobi, Mr. Ajit A.M., Assistant Professors, Department of Commerce, Nirmala College, Muvattupuzha. Let's move on to the research paper. The COVID-19 pandemic has created the largest disruption of educational systems in the human history. Many of the educational institutions, including schools, colleges, and universities around the world, shut down their campuses and moved their educational activities into online platforms. Unfortunately, our education system is not equipped with such innovative online teaching aid. It was a major constraint for majority of the teachers, students, and other educational institutions in India. In order to overcome this, many institutions have adopted different online teaching and learning methods. Now, around 1.5 years, we are moving towards such digital learning platforms. In this study, we are concentrating on the perception and satisfaction of teachers in self-financing colleges in Ernakulam district. Coming to the research problem, after reviewing the literature, the research gap is identified, thereby formulating the research problem, that is, the perception and satisfaction of teachers towards online education during COVID-19. The research objectives are as follows. First one, to study the attitude of teachers towards online education during COVID-19. Second one, to find out the satisfaction level of teachers towards online education. And finally, to identify the problem faced by the teachers in online education. Coming to the methodology. Here we are using a partly descriptive and partly analytical research design. And population. The teachers in self-financing colleges in the Ernakulam district are considered as a population. From this, 275 teachers in the self-financing colleges are considered as a sample size. And sampling technique used here is non-probability judgmental sampling. And while coming to the data collection method, the primary data is collected by employing a well-structured questionnaire, and the secondary data is collected by using the articles, journals, magazines, etc. Coming to the data analysis and interpretation, various statistical tools like percentage, standard deviation, chi-square test, etc. are used. Coming to the profile of the respondents, 78% of the respondents are females and remaining 22% are males. Coming to the age group, 56% of the respondents are coming to the age group of 20 to 30 and 32% are coming to the age group of 30 to 40 and 9% are belong to the age group of 40 to 50 and finally the remaining 3% are coming to the age group of above 50 years. Coming to the qualification aspect, 61% of the respondents possess PG as their highest qualification and 34% possess PG with a NET as their highest qualification and 3% possess PG with MPhil and 2% possess PG with a NET as well as the MPhil as their highest qualification. Coming to the monthly income, 68% of the respondents gets 15,000 to 25,000 as their basic pay. And 27% gets below 50,000 as their monthly income and 5% get 25,000 to 35,000 monthly income. Coming to the findings of the study, the teachers have an indifferent attitude towards online education due to the lack of student participation, cost incurred for meeting online teaching requirements, etc. And the teachers are satisfied to some extent with respect to the job stress. And they are exhibited a strong dissatisfaction regarding the overtime work, relation with the students, change in pay scale, institutional rules and regulation. The most disgusting problem among the teachers are poor connectivity, overtime work, lack of ICT knowledge and distraction and reduced focus. Coming to the chi-square test, it is done to identify the association between demographical indicators and satisfaction variable. Here, the 4 satisfaction variables, that is stressful job, overtime work, relation with the students, institutional rules and regulation are considered. And the demographical indicators used here is age, education and monthly income. Coming to the first analysis, that is stressful job and age, it is they exhibit a significant relationship with education and stressful job, it is not significant. And while comparing with the monthly income and stressful job, it is significant. Coming to the second satisfaction variable, that is overtime work, it is also compared with the three demographical indicators, that is age. It shows a significant relationship. While comparing with education, it is not significant. And while comparing with the monthly income, it is also significant. Coming to the third satisfaction variable, that is relation with the students, it is compared with age, it is significant. While comparing with education, it is not significant. While comparing with the monthly income, it is also significant. While comparing to the fourth satisfaction variable, that is institution rules and regulations, comparing with the age, it is significant. While comparing with education, it is significant. And also it is compared with the monthly income, it is also significant. Then coming to the suggestion part, my first suggestion to improve the perception and satisfaction of teachers in online education is to provide faculty development program to the teachers to improve their skills and knowledge in the online teaching learning process. The second suggestion, ensure network connectivity even in the remote area for the smooth conduct of online classes. And the third suggestion, arrange mechanism for providing individual attention to the students. And fourth point, provide collaboration and networking opportunity with other educational institutions for the smooth conduct of online classes, both for students as well as the teachers. Coming to the limitation part, the study is applicable only in Ernakulam district is a major limitation of this particular study, and the personal biases of the respondents may influence their decision is also another limitation, and the study is restricted only to the online survey platform. These are the limitations of this particular research paper. That's all about the research paper. Thank you.